Hey friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a romantic theme. This can be used for Sweetest Day that's coming up. It can be used for anniversaries or even Valentine's Day. We have a kit with lots of balloons and some fans, and then we're also going to use some curtain fringe. And I have a new electric balloon pump I'm going to be using for LANAKN. It's really small and compact. I have a full review right after this. Make sure you look for the link and make sure you check that out. We're going to get started with blowing up some balloons with this LANAKN balloon pump that I'm using. I'm using the straws to help blow up the foil balloons. Okay friends, now let's put the fans together that we have. To put these together, we're simply just going to use some paper clips to help them stay together. They do have a strip that comes with them. The paper clips just make it easier for you to put away and reuse them for later. And these also came with some cute gold hearts. We're just taking the sticky off of those and sticking them to the middle of the fans. And get this curtain fringe put up to start off our backdrop. Okay friends, now it's time to put up our fans. We're just going to use some tape to tape them up to the backdrop. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like what you see and you want some more great content so I can keep bringing it to you. Alright, next we're going to get some hearts put up. These are just some glitter cut out hearts and I'm just using tape to get them put up on the backdrop. Okay friends, now it's time to add our I Love You banner. And then we're going to go ahead and get our balloons put up with some double-sided tape. If you are interested in where I got this balloon decoration kit from, go ahead and leave me a comment below.
Wow! I love you.
And here are the final results for our romantic theme decorations. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for new videos. Make sure you check out my review video up next for the LANAKN balloon pump and have a royal day.